Hi everyone, this is Steff. In my previous project, I showed a 3D Eiffel Tower that I made, and one of my subbies, Yolanda. Hi Yolanda, she's Mega Design Diva here on YouTube. She asked that I do a tutorial, so this is my first tutorial. Okay, what I used was this stamp that I purchased from Michael a while back. I guess you could get it at Joann's as well. It's kind of hard to locate. It took me a while to find it, but this is my favorite stamp of all my stamps. So if you do not have this particular stamp and you have an Eiffel Tower stamp or maybe a die, I suggest that you adhere, you make a banner like this one, because I use the tips of the banner to adhere each panel so I could get the 3D look now. So and if you do not want to put a banner, well, I would suggest scoring your stamp image maybe at the edge here on both sides so that you could adhere each panel to give the 3D look. That's kind of fiddly, so that's why I was suggesting, you know, doing a banner so you could adhere it. So anyway, you will need to stamp your image 3 times for the 3 panels. Now if you're going to stamp it on lightweight chipboard, then you only need 3 panels, but if you're going to do it like me, you will need 6. So I stamp it 3 times and then I trace it out and cut 3 additional shapes for my backing to double up and make the panels more sturdy. So this is what I did. Stamp it 3 times and trace and cut out each panel. So in all, if you're doing like me, you need 6. And then I just adhere it. For the purpose of the video, I'm going to use the Scotch Quick Dry. But I use glossy accent on my first one. I hope I'm in frame. And you just line it up. So I went ahead and I did the other 2, so it's 30. All right, now once it's dried, I think it's dried. Once it's dried, I take the tip of the flag and I bend it towards me on both sides, and also the feet. I call these the feet. Sorry, I hope I was in frame. I bend it on both sides. So, and I also bend it on a slight angle, which you could adjust when adhering the other panel. So I did that for all of them. There. So what you're going to do now is, it will not line up perfectly with the flag because it's a stamp image. You know, you don't have a mirror image, so you would find that you're adhering this to this edge, to this end of the flag on this image. See, like that. Don't worry about it. When you're finished, you could just put, maybe like I did, I put stickles just to decorate the outside tips that's showing that didn't line up, or you could put a bling or something. So you adhere that there. And you don't need a lot. I'm gonna do the top and the bottom. You just want to make sure that the majority part of it is lined up, that's all. And remember, you're going to decorate it anyway, so you're not really going to be seeing most of the edges. So there, and I just reinforce a little, you know, by pushing it open. Hope you can see that. There and here. See? Now the next side, I just do a test run before. And you're gonna, don't worry about lining up this end as yet. Just focus on this side and this side. So as you can see, it's coming together. And now we're gonna reinforce it again. And now we're going to adhere the final part. So as you can see, you have the 3D look. Now what I did, I used the mesh bling and I outlined the frame of it all the way down, and I put them together and I squeeze the panel slightly together and I adhered here so you can't see any of the opening edge. So when you're finished, it should look like a solid 3D all the way around. Now for the top, if you notice, it's too, well, what I did, you have too much of a gap here, which one row of the mesh bling will not fit in, it will fall through. So I took a piece of, because my cardstock is white, is a white background, I took a piece of white tulle and I just roll it. I put it in. I use the Fabri-Tac on the inside here so it adhere to it. You just basically need something that the mesh bling could adhere to when you put it down for these opening slots here. I hope that makes sense. So basically that's how I did it. I hope you understand. If you have any question, please let me know and I'll see how I could help you right away, okay? Thank you everyone for listening, for watching my videos. Bye.